MJ, grabe yung trailer, no? Grabe. I'm sure yung mga fans, naririnig ko yung mga reaction nyo every time tinatawag or pinapakita sa screen yung mga paborito nila. Grabe yung tele, grabe yung sigawan, gano'n ang energy ngayon dito sa Dolphin Theater.
And we want to hear the stories behind, making this big collaborative project. Ano yung naging experience nila in the island and everything else. Okay, tawagin na natin ang cast and creators ng The Secrets of Hotel 88. We begin with our director. Let's call it Direct Henry King Kitay.
And of course, eto na, ang cast ng The Secrets of Hotel 88. Will Ashley.
Bianca De Vera.
Next we have Dustin Yu.
Let's call it AZ Martinez.
Siyempre, nandito rin si Ralph De Leon.
Also joining us today, River Joseph.
At ang atake sa ganda ngayong hapon, Esnir Banorio.
She's also with us today, Cyril Manabak.
Also joining us this afternoon, Josh Ford.
Joining the cast as well is Kira Ballinger.
Ito, sabay na natin tawagin. MJ, sabay natin tawagin.
Let's call in
Red Manalo and Dolita Salamanca.
All right, there you have it. Please welcome the cast of The Secrets of Hotel 88. Siyempre, kasama din natin dito si
Clarice
De Guzman.
Guzman, who can join us today. Busy si Ate Cla. Nagluluto yata si Ate Cla.
Dami yung akin. Hello, everybody! Okay, simulan natin by saying hi and also your quick reaction to the trailer. And then maybe you can also mention ano ba yung character niyo dito? We've seen some of it, baka meron na kayong gustong idagdag pa. Okay? Let's...
Nakita nyo na ba yung trailer? Napanood
They
nyo? Sa
saw it.
likod!
They saw it.
Sa likod. Kanina natin sisimulan, MJ.
Let's start from the guys first. Kay Josh
Si
muna.
Josh muna.
Josh, say hi to everybody, your reaction to the trailer, and
And maraming salamat of course for tuning in sa mga nanonood sa live and of course sa mga nandito ngayon para sumuporta sa amin. Ako grabe, when I saw the trailer as in, I got goosebumps. Ang ganda talaga ng pagkagawa. It's, nakita talaga yung iba't ibang characters namin dito. And ako, I played the role of Justin Almazan. Ako po yung isa sa Almazan siblings. Kasama ko dito si River, Bianca, and Mika. Apat po kami Almazans. And,
ikaw yung humirit ng don't talk to my sister like
yes
that.
po, ako. Ako yung rebellious na arrogant boy dito. Parang iba po ako dito na parang
Na-trigger ka na
bad
agad,
boy.
Josh eh. Oo eh.
Bad boy, yes.
Mukha bang, parang hindi naman bagay sa'yo yung bad.
Good boy po.
Oo.
Good boy, good boy.
Mas good boy.
Hindi, pero pag ganyan naman ako, pag nga ganyan si Justin.
Yan.
Ganyan si Justin, hindi, pero good boy naman tayo. Pero yeah, I am Justin Amazon, the bad boy of this group, and you're gonna get to know more of me if you watch Secrets of Hotel 88.
Alright, thank you Josh.
Siguro,
Kira.
alternate. Yes, Kira. Would you like to greet everyone?
Yes, of course. Magandang afternoon sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much for all making an effort to be here. Sobrang na-appreciate po namin. Ulit, I'm Kira, and I play the role of Trixie Madrigal, who is the favorite younger sister of Martin, which is played by Ralph. Si Trixie, very she's fearless, free-spirited, and she's a businesswoman. Kaya alam na alam niya yung gusto niya sa buhay. And abangan na lang yung mga kalokohan niya. Thank you.
Ano yung reaction mo sa trailer, Kira?
Goosebumps. Honestly, I think I can speak for everybody when we say lahat kami kinalabutan sa trailer na to. Kasi this is the first time that we're watching this.
Exactly.
So, grabe. It's so nice to see na our hard work is
Put together.
pasabog, put together. Yes.
Thanks,
Parang
Kira.
lahat tayo may goosebumps. Yung hapon.
It was a moment. Kanina talaga. Ralph!
Ayun, what's up mga kapusog kapamilya and everyone here sa Team Live, sa Team Bahay. Thank you all for coming out to support us. I'm Ralph De Leon and I play the role of Martin Madrigal, one of the Fernandez brothers alongside Will and Brent. And of course, my lovely sister, Trixie, Kira Ballinger. Ayun, my character basically is si Mr. Nonchalant Businessman na tinan natin kung may onting pitik pa siya or onting temper. Let's see how it goes. Yeah.
Hindi ba nagkakalayo yun sa totoong buhay? Yung magiging nonchalant businessman, Ralph?
Hindi naman po masyado. I mean, I'm not super nonchalant. Medyo may pagka-weird naman po ako tulad ng nakikita sa amin ni Esnir nung nasa loob kami ng bahay. But yeah, I really have grown to love my character. And kita-kita niyo po naman na grabe, every single one of us was highlighted in that trailer. So I'm very happy na napakita kami ng ganun and slowly nabubuo na yung kwento ng The Secrets of